Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to use the FGlyph pattern recognition tool. When you open the asset package and decompress it, you will find two simple prefabs. If you drag and drop this in any scene, they will start working by themselves. You also have a demo scene, which is this exactly right here. So let's go ahead and press the start button. The pattern recognition tool, well, the name kinda implies it should recognize patterns or glyphs or characters. I have tried to make this in an efficient and effective way, so you won't be using any artificial intelligence to match any kind of pattern, thus making it very effective for the games. So let's go ahead and draw a triangle and see if it gets matched as a triangle. And yes, it did get matched. You can also draw squares, you can also draw signs, greater in this case, less, the power sign. I think you can also draw a star if I'm not mistaken. That's one ugly star, and it did not get matched as a star because I'm terrible at drawing, and that was a star. You can also add any kind of preset you want, and you can do that by pressing the S key. So let's go ahead and draw something like an alpha, and obviously it has been recognized as something else because the project does not know what the alpha sign is. So press the S key and you open the FGlyph script, the glyph input, sorry. And you simply paste it into the presets. You give it a name, you save the preset, you stop the project, run it again, and the next time you're drawing the alpha sign, it should be recognized as an alpha. And it has been recognized as an alpha in 12 milliseconds. Obviously, the more presets you have, the more time it will take to actually match a pattern. In the FGlyph prefab, you have multiple values that you can tweak around to make it more effective or more efficient, depending on what your game needs to have. The effective method takes more CPU and more calculations, but returns a more accurate matching, while the efficient one takes way less milliseconds to calculate. The user drawn glyph and compare it to the presets, and this is a simple example. If I draw the alpha, once again, it has been identified as an alpha, but under 1 millisecond. This also works with triangles and basically every preset, as long as your drawing is kind of accurate. The spam threshold, which you can tweak around, is basically the distance between two coordinates, the minimal distance between two coordinates, so that it will be registered as a mouse input. The points cap, as you can see, every drawing and everything that I have here, including the presets, have a fixed amount of coordinates. This is making it slightly easier for me to calculate and match the patterns correctly. The square accuracy, this variable only affects the efficient matching algorithm. It basically divides all the coordinates into squares and then tries to match a pattern depending on the number of pixels in each square instead of calculating with raw coordinates. In the mouse coordinates, we can see all the coordinates under a normalized value. If you draw, for example, very slowly, obviously you're going over the 50 points cap, and the algorithm will try to remove the extra points. If you draw fast, and you don't draw at least 50 points, the algorithm will try to add those points and smooth out the shape for you. Increasing the points cap obviously will increase the accuracy of the matching, but will also increase the calculations that are required to match a pattern. In the matches, you can see that the highest values will actually indicate that a preset is very close or similar to the user drawn glyph. If you wish to add a preset, I think I've already covered that. You press the S key and you just paste it in here. The rest of the code should be commented accordingly and make it kinda easy to understand what exactly is going on. If you have any questions, my email address will be in the description, and any other information that is important will also be in the descriptions. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this project will help you develop your own. Have a good day.